Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq, with daily insight on the Nasdaq 100 index, or the NDX, which is made up of 100 of the largest domestic and international non-financial innovative companies listed right here on the Nasdaq stock market. The NDX has been the barometer for U.S. large cap growth and also one of the best performing indexes over the last decade and a half, not to mention one of the most liquid index ecosystems in the world. It's another busy schedule in the trading week ahead as investors will continue to focus on the coronavirus, particularly if numbers get seemingly worse over the next week. 23 Nasdaq 100 companies will report earnings, including Alphabet, throughout the week, and the all-important January jobs report will be released at 8:30 a.m. Eastern on Friday. Let's take a look at our first chart of the Nasdaq 100. The index trading higher at the open, over 1%, despite fears of the coronavirus. Now, China's stock market reopened with the People's Bank of China injecting $174 billion into the market and lowering short-term repurchase rates. The China Securities Regulatory Commission also reportedly issued a verbal directive to brokerages to bar their clients from selling borrowed stocks today, meaning they can't short stock. And chatter is also out there surrounding the People's Bank of China, suggesting the likelihood of a loan prime rate cut on February 20th has increased significantly. We'll also be watching the Iowa caucus tonight, where Vermont Senator Bernie Sanders is ahead in the polls. The caucus is a step toward narrowing the field of Democratic candidates, and investors should start getting worried if polls prove correct and Bernie Sanders emerges as the winner. Sanders is viewed as negative for the stock market. He's in favor of significantly raising taxes on individuals and companies. From the Nasdaq market site in New York City, I'm Jill Malandrino, global